At Oconee County Elementary School, OCES also means opportunities to excel, care and concern for others, education for the total child, and success in lifelong learning.
Here at OCES, we achieve student success through our intentional relationships with each student. We see students as people, not just numbers and grades. We believe that their hearts matter just as much as their minds.
With the support of community and family, our goal is for every student to reach his or her maximum learning potential. And our lifelong goal is for our boys and girls to leave Oconee County Schools knowing that the support for them will never end.
I think it boils down to dedication. Our teachers, students, and their families all dedicated to make OCS a better learning environment.
From club opportunities to cultural night to responsive classrooms that help students with problem-solving skills to student-led conferences and project-based learning, OCES is committed to ensuring that students are well prepared to enter middle school and ultimately capture their dreams post-high school and beyond.
My favorite thing to do in school is STEM because it contains a lot of teamwork. You can make cool projects with your friends. I love the activity buildings at OCES because they all have tons of equipment. I also like how the gym is big.
The OCS library is amazing. Miss Fancher, the librarian, has thousands of really great books, and you can check out 2 books anytime you like. I go twice a day.
Something else that students really enjoy is that when they're in 5th grade, they conclude their immigration unit by going back to 1907 with an immigration simulation. After researching Ellis Island and the countries from which immigrants came to America and why, students dress in costume, have a Welcome to America parade, go through various immigration checkpoints, and hear from OCES parents who show actual items their ancestors brought through Ellis Island. This project is a great example of providing students opportunities to excel through project-based learning while learning about a variety of cultures.
At Oconee Elementary School, we're all about relationships. We're all about getting to know our students and our families and doing what we can to help them. We're interested in learning where students are academically, really learning what their needs are and what's going to help them be successful in school. And at Oconee Elementary, kids always come first.